We know that cosine of 3x equal to 4 cosine of x cubed minus 3 cosine of x. So we're gonna rewrite cosine of 3x to the fourth power as 4 cosine of x to the third power minus 3 cosine of x, this whole thing to the fourth power, and that will be 4 cosine of x to the third power minus 3 cosine of x squared, and times the same expression. 4 cosine of x to the third power minus 3 cosine of x squared. So now we're going to expand squared brackets and have 16 cosine of x to the sixth power plus 9 cosine of x squared minus 24 cosine of x to the fourth power times the same thing, that's 16 cosine of x to the sixth power plus 9 cosine of x squared minus 24 cosine of x to the fourth power. Now we're just gonna multiply each term in the first brackets by each term in the second brackets and have 256 cosine of x to the 12th power plus 144 cosine of x to the 8th power minus 384 cosine of 10th power and plus 144 cosine of x to the 8th power plus 81 cosine of x to the 4th power plus minus 116 cosine of x to the 6th power minus 384 cosine of x to the 10th power minus 216 cosine of x to the 6th power and plus 576 cosine of x to the 8th power. So now we're gonna work with terms which have the same power. So we have 256 cosine of x to the power 12. Then we have minus 384 cosine of x to the 10th power plus minus 384 cosine of x to the 10th power. So we have minus 768 cosine of x to the 10th power. Then we have plus 144 cosine of x to the 8th power plus 144 cosine of x to the 8th power and plus 576 cosine of x to the 8th power. So we have plus 864 cosine of x to the 8th power, and then we have minus 216 cosine of x to the 6th power minus 216 cosine of x to the 6th power, and that will be minus 432 cosine of x to the 6th power, and the last one plus 81 cosine of x to the 4th power. So this is our answer.